Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a nice dark grunge CRT effect. Starting off, I already have a clip from the Timeless music video starring Playboi Carti and The Weeknd. So I'm going to create our new adjustment layer. Make sure it's on top of our clip right here. Then for the first effect I'm going to add is signal. Go right here, then drag it in. Then I'm going to put it on VHS_long play. Lumen modulation. Then I'm just going to turn off tape errors to get rid of this tape error on the bottom. Then I'm going to close that out. Then if you really want to, you can mess around with your effects right here. So I might just mess around with it a bit. Apart from that, we're going to close out our signal effect. Then for the next effect I'm going to add is glow. Then I'm going to bring down a threshold a good amount to right there 13. Then I'm going to increase our radius right here. Then you can either put it right underneath our signal effect or right above it. I think above it looks way better than below it. Next off, we're going to add our last effect. Next effect I'm going to add is noise right here. Then I'm going to go for amount of noise and put it on 15. And apart from that, that is everything you need in order to create a dark and grunge CRT effect. You can obviously mess around with our signal right here, and you keep it right here also. It's going to give a much darker effect. And if you really want, you can close this out right here. Then I'm going to go back over to my effects. Then I'm going to add colorama, and with this is going to give endless amounts of ways to mess around with your own coloring. So I can put on hue, and you can already see it's starting to mess around with our clip. I go to output cycle, and you already have multiple things right here. I put on fire and smoke. There's multiple ways, like what I said, there's multiple ways to mess with our clip right here. You can go with this one right here, saturation ramp. It's gonna give a nice blue effect. You can go right here to sunset. It's gonna give like a nice orange and like pink effect. And if you really want, you can go to input cycle, and you can start having it just cycle through the colors. So I'm gonna reset that. So yeah, it's not necessary to have this effect, but it does give our effect a nice color. It just depends what you want in your own effect. So I'm gonna take out colorama since I don't need it for just this effect. Apart from that, if you follow the steps in this video, your final product should look like this. Apart from that, if you learned something new or you just enjoyed watching this tutorial, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I upload weekly content based around editing tutorials. And apart from that, guys, keep on working hard, chase your dreams, and keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.